Here we go. We are going to the graveyard to visit our grandmother and make dua for her.
Huh? Oh, hey. Oh, hey, y'all. Well. I'm scoping out the scene. Oh, saw the way he looked up and down?
Yeah.
Look, his eyes are...
Exactly.
Oh.
Her behavior just changed. Now she's not... Now she ain't so funny anymore.
She's looking all around.
I'm getting creeped out right now. She's looking down.
It's weird.
Watch out for the grave.
What happened? Tripping. She's not acting cool anymore.
Yeah, she was having fun earlier. Now she's uncomfortable. How tight is the grip on your hand?
She's very uncomfortable.
Does she have a tight grip? Oh, she's getting scared.
Oh, here. She's tripping.
Yeah, she is looking now.
Screams. She's looking down.
Oh, Allah. Allah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is that what you hear?
All right, we're leaving and she is ready to leave. Go ahead. Look at her. She wants to go in the car, dude. She's gone, bro. She outie. She is outie. Take me
Now
home.
she's happy.
Take me home, she said.
Yeah, you want to leave.